Hello, welcome along. Uh, it is Fun Friday, so I thought, why not do another one of these how to plays? Um, should be nice and short. This is The Substitute by The Who, or Substitute by The Who. I know it doesn't have keyboard in it, but maybe you're in a band like me that is going to perform this. The intro is almost the same as the chorus. The verse isn't massively complicated. The first thing to say is you may want to arrange this so that it is just a guitar intro. So I've put that as a little side note there. Everything is based around D. The way I like to play the intro is second inversion D to start, and then an A over D, G. So you're back to there, and just hold down octaves in your left hand. That's pretty much all there is to the intro. When you get to the verse, again, we want to move it down a little bit so it's not quite as overpowering because you've got lyrics going on at the same time. So I tend to go down to just a first position D, up to the G, second inversion, and you're just alternating between those two while using the D in the left hand, and it isn't moving for the first couple of times round. You may want to add the other D at the top for a little embellishment. And then you're into E minor. Now all the notes for this are from G. That's what the melody line is. But you probably just want to hold, if you're doing this on keys, you want to do it sort of in the background. Maybe alternate the notes that you're holding. Up to the A. And then you're into the chorus. So there's various ways you can do it. You can hear I'm doing this on an organ sound. You may want to do it on a piano, in which case you may need some more rhythmical elements. Then we're into the chorus, which is very similar to the intro, as I said, but there's more of a rhythm to it. So, and I tend to go down instead of going back up to that second inversion D. I'll do the first inversion, so the notes keep coming down. So if you look at some of the guitar chords on the internet, you will see it is listed as a D2 at the start of the chorus. So if you want to replicate that, you can, instead of doing the D, you do D sus2, so you've got A, D, E. That sounds like this. So depending on what your guitarist is doing, are they doing that D2 shape to complement it, or are you going to stick to the normal D? And there you go. That is how I play Substitute by The Who. If you've got time to like and subscribe, that would be brilliant. And I'll see you next Friday for another Fun Friday. Bye for now.